Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to tell you about zero conditional type of sentences. Today we are diving into one of the simplest and most important structures in English, zero conditionals. So what is zero conditional? We use it when we talk about facts or the things that are always true. They are scientific. If something happens, something else always happens. For example, if you heat water to 100 centigrade, it boils. This is a fact. It is always true. If you mix red and blue, you get purple. This is a scientific fact. Let me give you more examples to help you understand better. If you drop an ice cube in warm water, it melts. If you add sugar to tea, it becomes sweet. If you touch a flame, it burns. If you press the button, the light turns on. If you sleep too much, you feel tired. So remember, the zero conditional is used for situations that are always true. It's super useful when you're talking about facts in everyday life. Try making your own zero conditional sentences in the comments below. I would like to check out your examples. If you found this video useful, you can subscribe my channel and try to hit the like button. Stay tuned with me with daily English lessons. See you soon in the next video.